It's lunchtime, baby. Oh, yeah, baby, it's lunchtime. Let's get this baby fired up. Confection roast, $4.25. Today, we doing some beautiful Longhorn Steakhouse seasoned wings. Y'all see I got my jumbo party wings here. We gonna do these just like Longhorn Steakhouse. So every time I go to Longhorn, we get those steakhouse seasoned wings. And they're so simple. After you start cooking long enough, you to start picking up palettes and stuff. It seems like it's just salt, pepper, onion, garlic seasoning on there. What I got, I'm gonna use this Kinder's prime steak seasoning to go on there. And to help crisp it up, we're gonna use some baking powder. Yeah, we're gonna set it in the oven on the convection setting at 425 degrees. Do an air fryer style in the oven. Get it nice and crispy with our ingredients. Make it super simple. I just got them party style size wings. I got 2 pounds of these for myself. It's gonna be my lunch. And I got me an old sweet potato. I'm gonna make me some sweet potato fries. We're gonna go ahead and get started with our seasonings. Got these babies dry. Let's go in with some seasonings. Do 2 tablespoons. About 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Can't wait to eat these tasty jumbos. And the fat we're using today is some avocado oil. So by eye, it's roughly about 2 tablespoons. All right, looks like we got good coverage on here too. I can see these seasonings popping out. Like it's gonna look real pretty. So all right, let these hang out a while. Let them hang out for about 30 minutes. Let everything come together. Let that oven get raring hot. And we'll be back, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and chop up this sweet potato, make some fries out of it. Got ourselves a nice sweet potato. Let's see how neat we can get this. Go ahead and peel this stuff. Pretty clean peel. And quarters. All right. A little of olive oil. We're gonna do some baking powder too. Help crisp them up. So we only doing like a tablespoon. Go ahead and hit it with some salt. Hit it with some pepper. All right, y'all. Let's get ready to get this party started. All right, my wings are set long enough. About ready to go up in the oven. All right, that looks organized. Let the wings get a head start on the fries. Set it right in the middle. All right, time to come out. Looking crispy already. All right, now let's flip them. Oh man, these are gonna be good. See, the other side got to get that color and crispiness to it. This has got it. Back to the oven we go. Another 20 minutes. And while we at it, let's get these beautiful fries in the oven right with it. Cause I don't like my fries being cold. I can let the chicken wait, but I like my fries to be hot. And while we wait on those wings, y'all, let's get this going with a quick sauce. I'm gonna use some mayo, some pickle juice. I got a teaspoon of dried onion powder, and I got a teaspoon of garlic powder. And we're gonna throw this gold Parmesan grated. We're gonna throw this grated Parmesan cheese in there with it. Got a little cup. We'll make it super simple. About enough for sauce. Yep, got that. A little pickle juice. Seasoning in there with it. Ooh, little grated Parmesan cheese. We just gonna stir it up. So this is gonna be something on the tangy and mild side. Oh yeah. All right, that's it for that one. And for our other sauce, It's just a classic hot sauce. We ain't doing nothing crazy. Frank's Red Hot. That's it. All right, boy. We got our two sauces now, like we at the steakhouse. Ooh, we about to clown. It's lunchtime, baby. Oh, yeah, baby. It's lunchtime. Woo! These look good, don't they, y'all? These are so crispy. Listen to that. Got my lunch ready. Crispy fries. I can't believe these was baked. Gotta try this custom sauce I made first. They hitting, baby. Time to try them in the hot sauce. Use some hot sauce and all the fries you can spare. Y'all see how that meat just coming off the bone, extra tender. Hey y'all, it was 50 minutes total, 425. Did a flip at 30-minute mark. Did the same thing on these fries. Y'all saw how simple that was. Super simple. And people gonna be going crazy. They're gonna be going crazy over this, especially that sauce, boy. All right, I'm out, y'all. Peace.